Welcome to our channel. Starting on Patreon, follow these verification steps to set up your creator account and begin receiving support. Step 1. Complete basic account setup. Fill in creator page details including name, category, and description. Step 2. Verify email address immediately. Click confirmation link sent to your registered email address. Step 3. Set up two-factor authentication. Enable 2FA in security settings for account protection. Step 4. Complete tax information forms. Submit W-9 US or W-8 international for payment processing. Step 5. Connect payout method. Add bank account or PayPal for receiving patron payments. Step 6. Verify identity if requested. Some accounts require ID verification for payment processing. Step 7. Create your first tier and benefits. Set up membership levels with clear benefits for patrons. Step 8. Publish your creator page. Review everything, then launch your page to start accepting patrons. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.